You should know that water can seep into your garage floor from the ground below, leading to delamination, cracks, and mold formation over time. You might not already know that you can't really waterproof a garage floor. The closest you can get to a true waterproof is to install a membrane under the garage floor and use epoxy to coat the surface. If your garage is already installed without a membrane, there's no way to put one in after the fact. But you can significantly reduce the moisture coming up from the ground into the garage. The least effective penetrating sealer can substantially stop groundwater problems, even without an underground membrane. To block excess moisture, you can apply a penetrating sealer or a film-forming coating to the garage floor. A penetrating sealer creates a chemical reaction in the concrete that creates a water block below the floor surface. An acrylic, epoxy, or polyurethane coating places a hard film over the garage floor to lock in the moisture. Ranked from the least to the most water-blocking, choose from these sealants and coatings for your floor. Choose from penetrating sealer, acrylic, epoxy, and polyurethane. What to know which one blocks water the best? Click the link in the description or the first comment.